Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to configure HP printer to your Wi-Fi home router. So I have a HP LaserJet tank 1502 laser printer. Once you turn on the printer, as you can see the Wi-Fi icon, tap the Wi-Fi icon once, then tap information. Now it will print Wi-Fi network configuration report. As you can see, wireless is not connected. In my case, I have portable STC 5G router in my hand. Undock the router and as you can see WLAN, and you have to choose must 2.4 GHz for this configuration. Go back to your mobile, turn on Wi-Fi. As you can see the HP setup LaserJet tank. And tap this above icon and choose the first option, new printer. The printer name will appear there and choose your Wi-Fi network. Connect your Wi-Fi network and enter your password of the router. Now preparing the printer and tap this information icon on your printer. Tap once information icon on this printer. Now it's getting the IP address. Once the pop-up comes, tap join. Now finishing the connection. Now we are successfully completed the final step. Now the printer is connected to the router. Tap continue. It take few minutes to getting this information. Once it's complete, tap accept all the terms and conditions. If you have an account, sign in, otherwise skip account activation. Choose auto update recommend and tap continue. Now let's print the test page. Tap print. As you can see, now the test paper is printed successfully. Congratulations. And now tap information. It will print the Wi-Fi network information. As you can see, now the printer is not connected. Now the wireless information is connected to this SSID of this router. This is my Wi-Fi router name. Let's try. Now turn on Wi-Fi and connect your Wi-Fi router. As you can see, is connected. Now I'm going to test some document. I search some document file. Share icon, tap print. As you can see, now the printer name is appear. So I just test 1-to-1 pages and tap print. As you can see, I received the command. So the power button is flashing right now. Now the job is successfully print. Thank you for watching Gulf Tech channel.